Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai Moms and Dads, hari ini saya akan memperkenalkan pada dua princess tentang exercise of practical life skills, yaitu walk online. Ya, kenapa walk online? Dr. Montessori, based on her observation, realized that children like to walk along a log or on top of fence. They enjoying walking along a line. Dr. Montessori realized that the young children are in the period of perfecting their balance. She said that young children is in sensitive period of perfecting their movement. Therefore, parents must aware of this. So, why we are using the exercise of practical life walking on a line for today? The direct aim of this activity are helping the children work on concentration, coordination of movement, exertions of willing, or developing of attention of will. And indirect aim of this exercise is to stimulate their awareness of their body and build up their balance. The material that we need for this activity is a long red line. You can make it with the sticky tape, or you can, if you don't have a red line, you can use the white sticky tape or the brown one. It will work. This is the line that I will use for my first activity, which is walking on a straight line. The thing that we need to consider that the line should be thick enough to fit the children's shoes, so their shoes or their feet will on the line. And then after that, you might want to variate this activity. You can prepare a flag, or also bowls, or also a glass of water to variate this activity. For this activity, I use curved line and zigzag line for my variation. When you introduce an activity to a children, the first time you need to do is invite the children to join you to the activity, and then sit them on your non-dominant hand. And then for this activity, I will sit them near the line, but remember not to sit in front of them. It's better that you sit them on the side that you're non-dominant. And also it should be remembered that you sit them in the place that they can see clearly your activity. To introduce the activity, you can say, "Hi guys, today I would like to show you how walk in a line. First, you can see me how to walk on a line. Then after I finish it, you can have your own turn to try how to walk on a line. After you finish present how to walk on a line, then you can invite the children to try to walk on a line. You can say, now, Diaz, would you like to try walking on a line?" Then the children will come and walking on a line. And it's also important that you present how to walk on a line or any activity in silence. Why it should be like that? Because it's to keep their focus. When you present it in silence, so we are not confusing the children whether they should see how we do it or whether they should hear what we are talking. So that's why this is the reason why all the activity of Montessori are presented in silence. And then don't forget, after they finish their doing, give them a compliment. So it will rise their self-esteem. Also, don't forget to give them permission to do the activity whenever they want to do it. Okay, let's see how I introduce this activity to my children. Hi guys, today I would like to introduce you how to walk in a line. Would you like to join me? Okay, let's sit down over here. Can you sit down over here? Tete Diaz, would you like to sit down here? Here, okay. Today, I want to show you how to walk in a line. Did you see this one? This is a straight line, okay? And do you know what it's made from? I made this line using a ribbon, a pink ribbon. Who like the pink ribbon? Both of you like a pink ribbon. Okay, I will show you how to walk in a straight line. And then after I finish, you will have your turn to do walk in a line. Okay? I will show you how to walk on a line, yeah. Show me first, and then after I finish, you will have turn to walk on a line. Okay? Now I will show you. Now, Adicheta, would you like to try? Good job. And then now, Tete Diaz, would you like to try? Wonderful! Cheta, would you like to sit down here again? Okay, sit down here first. Cross your legs. Okay, this line will be here during this day. Okay, you are allowed to use this line again whenever you want. Okay, the line will be still here. You want? You can try it again. Would you like to try again? Yes, can you sit down over here? Okay. This line will be still here. So whenever you want to do walk on the line, you can use this line to walk. Okay? Okay, good job. Yeah, let's go to eat now.